Sentences with who, whose, and how. Welcome to Manushri and Malla tutorial. Sentences with who. Who are you?
I am your new classmate.
Who won the race?
I won the race.
Who wants some food?
I want some food.
Who is your friend?
He is my friend.
Who is that lady?
She is my teacher.
Sentences with whose. Whose ball is this?
This is my ball.
Whose friend is she?
She is my friend.
Whose bag is this?
This is Tom's bag.
Whose idea is it?
It is my idea.
Whose phone is this?
This is Tom's phone.
Sentences with how. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
How was your exam?
It was easy.
Follow for more videos.
Please like, share and subscribe.